Welcome to another Glamrocs video. I'm going to show you guys how to do this sexy, sultry eye makeup look. So in this look with my client, I thank you for allowing her to let me show you guys this process. So basically, I'm going to start off with the brows. This client came in for a full glam. Also, she got her eyebrows done. So I did a Henna tint on this high client, which is also a hybrid tint on her eyebrows. And now I'm just sculpting her eyebrows with my Too Faced concealer in Toffee. You guys know that's my favorite concealer. And now what I'm going to do is take more of that concealer and cover her eyelids. I know this is kind of sped up, but I am not blending or touching her this hard. This is just, I'm just letting you guys know, okay? So now, once I have that concealer on, I am going to now use a P. Louise, I think this is rumor number 2, on her eyelid. And if you notice, I'm patting that on. I'll be using the Nude Persuasion palette by Bothie Beauty, which is Beauty by Melissa on Instagram. And first color I'm going to use is Spice as her transitional color. And if you guys also notice, I used a transitional color in her inner corner of her eyes just to make sure that helps blend out. Don't forget the inner and outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to go into my next transition color, which is going to be actually directly into her crease, which is Caramel. Now I'm going to go back into that rumor number 2, I think it is. And I am just going to blend out and blend out. And now I'm going to go into the color called Blush. I'm going to pat that on. Remember, anything that is liquid needs to be dried, right? So your eyeshadow is going to act like a powder, like how you put your translucent powder over your skin once you put on foundation. I am going to pat that on 2 to 3 times to make sure that the color is pigmented. Next, I am going to go in with Mahogany. Just to give that color her eye a little more dimension. I'm going back and forth with Mahogany and Blush. I want the transition to look very smoothly and not to look patchy. We were having too much fun. We were having too much fun talking. I like to book my friends almost last in the day because, honey, we gonna talk. And now I'm gonna go with Snowflake in the inner corner of her eyes. And I'm going to blend that out a little bit. So there was 4 colors used on this eye. It just looked multi-dimensional if you take a look at it. And now I am going into the next phase of her eye, which is lining. I'm using the best liner I feel that there is out there, which is the Inglot Gel Liner number 77. And I'm going to have her close her eyes. I asked her, let's stop talking and joking around, just so I can get a more precise line. And this girl always has me rolling with the way her eyelids bat to save its life when her eyes are closed. And girl, not the Black Girl Magic black eyeshadow on. And I'm just going to use that to blend out the gel liner. I like that look more better instead of a wet look. You know, sometimes you need the wet look, but when doing a sultry look, you want to blend that liner out with a black eyeshadow like Black Girl Magic. I love, love, love this palette. And yeah, and I'm going to do the next eye. I kind of sped this part up. And I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, which I'm going to show you guys how I prepped her skin. And there you go. Haitian beauty. There you go. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay for part 2 coming soon.